What's going on, people? We're at Walmart. This is the $10 Walmart fishing challenge. We're gonna only use what we catch. We're gonna catch what we use in this challenge. Only from this $10 Walmart. It's the $12 Walmart challenge. Sorry, the $12. Alright. So we're here in the fishing section. We're doing the $12 bass fishing challenge.
So this is a small one.
Yeah.
That's for a big one.
Strike King baby bass. That's a winner.
That's not big enough. You just go here. I can't believe they have one.
One of each.
That's crazy. But yeah, that's what I need. Alright. I think I
We're gonna get the frog.
Thanks.
What's that? 7? Just 4 2 out. What's bigger? There's no 4 outs. We got 2 outs. Alright, we're not gonna get these slip weights because we want to stay under budget. 1, 2. I'm gonna put the spinnerbait back and I'm gonna get a jig. I'm gonna get let's see here. $2.24, quarter-ounce jig, frog, worm, jig. That's our challenge right here. How we doing today? How are you?
All right.
$12.39. I got the 39 cents. Just over budget, supposed to be doing a $12 challenge. 39 cents. It's okay.
See, if the tax, they put you over technically.
Yeah.
77 cents tax.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9. Thank you.
So technically you spent under 12 before the tax.
Yeah, we're not counting the tax. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Tax not included in the challenge. Thank you. Have a good one. All right, guys. So we just got to the lake, and again, this is the $12 Walmart challenge. It's a little brushy here, but this is the water. We got some kayakers out there, but enough talking. I'm gonna get the gear out and show you how we're gonna do this challenge. So we've got our $12 challenge here. We've got our frog, our jig, and our hook, which when so the first thing I'm gonna do is take off the jig. Tie on the frog. I'm going to take this jig off of here. I'm going to tie the brand new jig on. And we're going to take the jerk bait off of here. We're going to get our 3/0 extra wide gap Eagle Claw hook. Tie that on. Let's get back at it. Probably don't want to touch that kind of plant. Casted my Booyah frog on the tree. It came out. Whee! Alright. Little casting troubles. We'll get rid of it. Let's try again. Alright. See what happens. I'm going to start with the frog on the bank. Down the bank here. Go from there. Fish on in the pads on the frog. First frog fish of the year. He's stuck in the pads here. Get that 65-pound braid going. Number one, baby. $12 Walmart challenge. We got him on the frog. First frog fish of the year. Yeah, he's got it good too. You got that frog all up in your face. All up in your face, son. That's the Booyah frog, the small version. I think that's a keeper. Let's put him next to my shoe. Take a picture of him. First frog fish of the year, boys. That's going to eliminate the frog. Sweet. Not a bad one. Good start fish. Smash the frog right in the pads. Right in the thick pads. Sweet. He absolutely murdered my frog. I'm gonna throw the frog a couple more minutes because I like the frog action over here. I don't think that was a keeper. It might have been a short, just under. But it's fun. So I caught one fish on the frog, lost my jig on a stump, and threw the Senko around a little bit for about 4 hours and couldn't get a bite or a fish on it. Had the lunch and decided to call it in a day because it's just hot out and it's noon. It's gonna be a tough bite, so I figured I'd pack it in and maybe try later. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, keep on fishing. If you like these Walmart challenges and what I did here, let me know in the comment section below. Peace out.